Hi kids, so let's talk about how we multiply decimals by decimals. So our learning goal here is that we want to be able to multiply one decimal number by another decimal number. That means a number with a decimal point in the middle. We'll know we can do this, so our success criteria is that if we give you an example, you'll be able to follow along and do it. So we've got some vocabulary. I want you to pause the video and write down these words just so we know what they are as we move through it. So decimal point is a symbol used to separate the whole number or an integer from the part, so the whole number part, from the fractional part of a number. So if you've got 1.2, the whole number is the 1, the fractional part, the part that's only part of a number, is the 2, and the point in the middle there, that's a decimal point. So we've got a strategy. Our first strategy is to remove the decimal places. There's 3 steps to this. Then we multiply, so that's using some of our other strategies to multiply. And then we place the decimal back in the answer, and we'll show you how that's done. So let's imagine we have the number 0.63 times 0.92. The first thing we do is remove the decimals, okay? And that the zeros are zeros, so it becomes 63 times 92. So when we write that with 63 on top, 92, just like this. This is how I like to do multiplications. Our very first step is 2 times 3. So we go 2 here times 3, and that gives us 6. And then we go 2 times 6, which gives us 12. So it becomes 126. Then we move to the next one, which is going to be 9 times 3, except see how this is now a unit of 10? This is a unit of 1s, this is a unit of 10s. So we put a 0 there straight away, just to let us know we're in our units of 10s. So it becomes 9 times 3, which is a 7, it's actually 27. And the 2 gets written up here. We don't write it here because we're going to add it. So it becomes 2 up there. So it's now 9 times 6, which is 54, plus the 2 becomes 56. So we now add these numbers together. Okay, so we get 6, 9, 7, and then a 5. And we move our decimal place back with the exact number of decimal numbers we had. So we had 2 decimal numbers here, 2 decimal numbers there, so that's 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. It becomes 0.5796, and there's our answer. I hope that made a lot of sense. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. Bye now.